Let's find the slope of the line parallel to the line y equals 2x minus 2. So here we have the line y equals 2x minus 2. And it's denoted by this L sub 1. So the line L sub 1 is the line y equals 2x minus 2. Now we want to find the slope of the line that runs parallel to this one. So to do that, let's start out by recalling what we know about parallel lines. Well, if we have two parallel lines and we extend them out in either direction, we know that those parallel lines will never touch one another. Parallel lines never intersect. And we can draw a line parallel to this one. A line parallel to this one would be this line right here. We can label this line L sub 2. So, lines L sub 1 and L sub 2 are parallel to one another. We can extend them out in either direction and they will never touch one another. Since they will never intersect, that means that these two lines must have the same slope. Parallel lines have the same slope. That means if we could find the slope of our first line, L sub 1, we could find the slope of the line that runs parallel to it. So, in step number 2, let's try to find the slope of our first line. Now, if we look at this first line, we can see that it's in slope-intercept form. Recalling slope-intercept form, we have y equals mx plus b. Here, this m, the coefficient in front of x, stands for the slope of the line. So, if we take our line, y equals 2x minus 2, we see that the number, or the coefficient in front of x, is 2. That is m in this equation. That means that m, the slope of our first line, is 2. Hey! We found the slope of our first line. Now that we know the slope of this line, we can find the slope of our other line. The line that runs parallel to our first line, L sub 2. Now remember, these lines are parallel to one another, so they have the same slope. That means if line L sub 1 has a slope of 2, then line L sub 2 also has a slope of 2. So, the slope of our parallel line is 2, just like the slope of our original line. And now we found that the slope of a line that runs parallel to the line y equals 2x minus 2, the slope of that parallel line is 2.